Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Read and Write toolbar to edit a PDF. So the first thing you need to do is be able to get your PDF into your Google Drive. Once it's there, we're going to select the PDF and we're going to choose Open with Read and Write. I have created this PDF as practice for using the tools. You can see that your toolbar is open, and the very first tool is Click to Speak. I select the tool, and I know the tool is on because the purple line is under it. Now, I can find text that I want to read, and it will start from the beginning of that sentence. And I can hit stop, and to stop reading it, I would select the text. The next tool that I will be using is my typewriter. We see our T here. I know, once again, I know my tool is working because the purple line is on. I then select where on the page I want to type it, and I will type in my name. If I want to make this wider, I grab the 3 dots, or I can make it narrow. So I'd be able to drag it. Within my text box, I also have the option to increase text size. I can move the text where I need. I can read my text. And I can change the color of it. In addition, I am able to use Talk and Type to insert my sentence. Once I'm done, I will select the check mark. And now I want to turn my typewriter off. Otherwise, anytime I click, I will continue to get more text box. So now I have it gone. So the next piece we want to do is we want to be able to edit on our PDF. And the same as we would do on paper, there are many activities. So the first one I'm going to show you is our freehand drawing. So our prediction tool, which one of these? I'm going to select it. Once again, my line is purple. I have my line thickness, and I can change the color of my line. So I'm going to choose a nice purple line, and I'm going to start from my prediction and drag down to this dot. So you can see that the freestyle, I can drag it and draw it however I need to. The line is on. So if I wanted to delete that line, I would have to turn the tool off and now select the tool, and I can move it. I can make the line bigger, or I can delete it. The next tool I'm going to use is my shape drawing, and I will select my line, and I will insert the color as green. And for voice typing, I would start on my dot and be able to drag it up. The same thing when I want to be able to delete it, I need to turn my tool off and select it. Now indicate your level of comfort with the read and write tools. So still learning, I know some, or I'm an expert. With our shape tools, I can draw a rectangle around the word that I'm looking for. My other option is when I turn that tool off, I can select the text, and then I can choose my highlighter. Notice that the toolbar only has one highlighter, but once I select it, I have my highlighting tools. So there it is, I know some. And if I want to delete it, I would select the text and then use the clear highlights. Once again, our favorite part down at the bottom is we would like to be able to use a typewriter. My favorite tool is voice typing because I can just say what my favorite tool is. Now, you notice that the words didn't appear right away. We want to make sure that students realize that they just need to say what they want and then it will eventually appear. As I drag this out, I'll be able to put it on my line where I need it. And if I want, I can increase the size or decrease the size. One limitation of this typing tool is we cannot change the style of the font. One last tool that I will show you here is on our read and write toolbar, we do have the screen mask. So this will help me stay focused on the part that I am looking to be able to read. So we can see through it, but and when we want to turn it off, we come back up and we choose our screen mask. These are the tools that we use in a PDF using Text Help Read and Write.